Hi everybody, Wendy here, Lolly Dolly Crafts, and today I've got for you my design team package from KraftSupplies for you. And this time, this is for the month of March, and this time I've gone for a nice blue theme rather than my pink, which is my favourite, but I've gone for a lovely blue theme. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off and just show you what I've got so far, and then I'm going to play with them in another video. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so to start off with, I've got this huge packet of the blue flowers. They're paper flowers. They're absolutely, you get loads, so I was really pleased with those. So that's brilliant. I have an idea of what I'm going to do, sort of, but anyway, so that's what I've got so far is the blue flowers. And then I've got some of these, you know, the acrylic flowers, and these are absolutely stunning. Look, they've got like a diamante in the middle, a blue one. So excuse my finger, I've got really bad arthritis in my fingers, and my little finger's really painful today, so to stop me from moving it, yes, I've strapped it up. But anyway, yes, let's get on. So yeah, these are absolutely lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get 6, and they're beautiful. So I'm going to use those, and then I got some of these really beautiful butterflies, and these are lush, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but just look at them. Aren't they pretty? The camera just doesn't do them justice, to be fair. They're absolutely stunning. So I'm going to definitely enjoy using those. Okay, so we've got those. And then I got this really lovely trim. And what I liked about this was, so that's the actual trim. But what I liked about it is you can cut these off individually. You don't have to use them on a strip, and if you cut them up individually, there's like little pearls, blue little pearls in the middle. So that's why I got those, because I thought they were really nice, and I thought, oh yeah, that will and they'd last for ages because there's loads of them. So I got those, and then I got some of this. This is more of like a, I suppose it's was it stretchy? No, it's like a gathered. It's not a box lace, but it's like a gathered lace, which is really nice. And this is really good for putting around something, and then you can hot glue some pearl in the middle of that. So that's really cool. So I've got quite a bit of that, and I love the colour. It's sort of like a, I don't know, what would you call it, a turquoisey blue? Yeah, really nice, lovely colour. I'll put that back in the bag in a minute, otherwise it'll make too much noise. And then I got this really lovely satin ribbon. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, so pretty. And then, like I said, the camera just doesn't do it justice, so I got that. And so I'll just put that there for the moment. And then I've got, this is stunning because it's got like an iridescent look to it. It's like a, it is blue as you can see it, but it's very pale. Sorry, you can hear I'm fostering doggies at the moment. You can hear he needs his nails cut, so I haven't had him long, and he's overweight, and you can hear his feet on my floor, so you'll have to excuse him. That's Elliot. Yeah, so that's really lovely, and this is more of a box pleat. I mean, it's got a bit scrunched up there, but that all you got to do is if you just spray it, and then with a bit not a hot, just sort of just spray it with a little bit of water, mist water, and just pull it down yourself. Don't put a if you've got a cold, don't use a heat gun because it will melt the fabric, the organza. I was trying to think of the name of it. But if you use like a hairdryer, just to on very cool, just to dry it up, and it's just anywhere it's been in the packaging, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So pretty, and like I said, it's got like an iridescent look to it. So yeah, and it's like it's very, very subtle, the colour, but you can see it's sort of like a very, very pale blue. But yeah, so that's lovely. So then I've got some of this, this is like white gathered lace. So I've got some loads of it there. So I've got some of that. And it's really soft, so soft. Yeah, very, very pretty. I've got some of that. And then this is gorgeous. They're both coming in now. Yeah, this is stunning, absolutely gorgeous. So this is absolutely beautiful. Looks stretchy, but it is stunning. Great to go around a box. Oh, can you hear him? He's having a drink now. He's thirsty. Yeah, like to go around a box or bottom of a fabric book, or there's just so many things you can do with it, and it feels so. The quality of it is lovely. So yes, so I've got that. So that is my design team package. I think I have got an idea of what I'm going to do. I think, but like I said, that will follow very soon. So that is what I've got for you for now. So I hope you enjoyed looking at my design team package. All of this is available from KraftSupplies for you, and this is my March DT package, and I can't wait to play with it and see what I can come up with. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. So bye for now.